Hey guys, it's Brian again. We're continuing with our HTML tutorial, and before we really venture on into bigger and better things, I thought we should revisit text formatting. We've only covered bold, italics, and underlining, but there's actually a lot more you can do with just simple text. Rather than type it all out, I just went ahead and did it, and I thought I'd walk you through it. TT is teletype, and notice that each one of these has a on tag and a corresponding off tag. Be sure you put that in, otherwise you'll make your entire page teletyped or bold or whatever you're working with. Alright, moving along. B is bold, I is italic, U is underline. Big is big text, EM's emphasize, small is small text. You can do subscripted, strong, definition, code, sample, keyboard, variable. You can cite, as in like citing a reference. P is actually for paragraph. It's become popular. P pretty much does almost the exact same thing that the break or the hard return does. Block quotes, just is a block quote. The header is another popular one. You notice H1 through H4. H1, I believe, is the biggest one, and then you can go all the way down. Now this is our page. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in our browser here. There we go. And you can see there's the teletype, bold, italics, underline, big, emphasize, small, etc., etc. Oh yes, one I forgot to cover is you can actually do deleted, so you can put a line through it. My favorite color is blue. I deleted that. My favorite color is red. Actually, in real life, my favorite color is blue. Anyways, and then here's your block quotation, and here's your headers. I know this is a pretty short tutorial, and we whipped through this pretty fast. Basically, you're at the point with text formatting that when you have a question, you should be able to go to Google and find the answer rather quickly. Some of the good references would be like htmlgoodies.com, w3schools.com, things of that nature. Most of the time working with text, unless you're really doing something fancy, you're really just going to need bold, italics, underline. Maybe once in a while you'll need like a strong definition or keyboard text or a variable or a citation, but general experience, you're not going to use those very often. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this educational and entertaining.